This message has been issued by the Maple County Police Department, the United States government, and the United States Armed Forces. In the past day, the United States Department of the Paranormal interrupts your broadcast. The United States Department of the Paranormal has identified a threat to your safety described as 10-foot tall and covered in black with distorted limbs near the scene of the last whereabouts of the missing persons. Due to this warning, we advise you to lock your windows, doors, and all entrance points at night. And follow the following think principle. Try to make as much distance from the creature if you see it and contact the nearest police department. Have a sense of awareness. We do not know what the creatures are capable of. Identify the threat. Is it really what it is? And neutralize. Try to terminate it if possible. Keep away. Do not make physical contact. We will keep you updated every day.